Hello. You. Good morning, everyone. I'm a little slow. I had a meeting with university for my master thesis. Quite a bit done today. Hello, company. What's up? Hello, Janula. Martin. Vector. How are we doing, everyone? Let me just fix my stream. Then we just got IVB and that's it. Okay, let me fix this. Put this to 30 minutes. Okay, that should be it. What's up, Rio, Ryan, Kex, Peng, Alp? Hi. The OGs are assembled. Do you even say it? How do you know? How did in Avengers? What's his name? Captain America. He said something like, "Fuck, I forgot." Something assembled. Maybe somebody here knows what I'm talking about. What is bias? Bias is clear. Like we saw it from yesterday, but we're ranging. Okay, it's pretty obvious. So. I think we're gonna we open up value real low. I don't know. I think we're gonna flip up. We're gonna go up and challenge these highs. Let's see. 1 min before casino. What's up, Darklands? Did they get you with the war? Oh, you talk about Martin. Power? No, bro. What the fuck? Short, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I think because we're ranging, I think we're gonna play the range. So do you know what videos do you gonna... Oh, yeah, I checked. We got... How many was it? I believe we got like 180 votes. The majority are not so interested in the psychology part. It's obvious, but I'm gonna be honest, guys. The thing that makes you... How can I say it? What's gonna make you profitable? And it makes sense. It's the psychology part, like the emotional part. If you can control it, you can make money in this game. But the majority are more interested in the strategy, the profile plotting. It is fine. It's fine. I can cover it. No worries. Oh no, we got 146 votes. Let me just see. Yeah, as you can see, 24% wants how to draw the volume profile. How to find daily bias, how to find an edge. And we got some people that were interested in how to stop revenge trading, over trading, FOMO. But yeah, I'm gonna work my way down. Yeah. I think bearish. Yeah, let's see. You know, all this time, since we were up here in this zone, I told you guys, we're gonna have to rebalance this because it looked like this before. It looks like this, and I was like, I don't know when we're gonna rebalance, but I think we're gonna do it really slowly, and surely but slowly, we are starting to do it. So we got some bit left. We got quite some bit left. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let me plot out. Let me plot out. Let's put this to extended. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. And look at this. This is a big cluster. Buy cluster. Right here. I think it's a good area to buy. Not financial advice. Yeah, we got some levels down here as well. I'm gonna just treat it as like this whole area as a buy level zone. Obviously, we got quite a bit of buy aggression overall. Okay, here we got some sell aggression. So this is some absorption. Let me see how low it is. Yeah, we got some levels. What do we more? Okay, we got 2400 here, option level at the bottom. Round number right now 24100. Yeah, got some levels here. Full support at 24. Yeah, whole area, bro. The whole area. Let's see. Are we bearish? We're ranging, but I'm leaning toward being bearish so we can fill the gap, like the inefficient that we had on the this. Quite a big inefficient down here, but I'd like to take long since we are in we rejected here previously this area in the range. When I say we are in a range, this is what I mean. Shift lower, shift higher, shift lower, shift higher, bro. We are choppy. And I would like to see us come up here maybe, but let's see. Of course, let's wait and see. Up 1k, Pav, you need to step up. Yo, we just opened, bro. What what trade did you take? Holy shit. Oh shit, bro. Are you willing to take swing trades based on Durant's lectures? Swing trades. Yeah, investment wise, definitely. Or that's not technically so much investment. It's, yeah, swing trading with Durant stuff. Definitely. I just have to learn a little more about it. That's the thing. But yeah, the guy knows his thing, okay? And it's a good source. I'm gonna be honest. It's a really good source if you want to learn swing trading as well. In between the big trades. Hi, hi. Hopefully we get some. By the way, do we have any news today? Let's check Fjorks. Trump speaking at 9 p.m. Okay. So in the next video that I'm gonna create on YouTube, it's about how to draw the volume profile. Now, I think many people are confused. Like, first of all, I would say try to identify what type of trader you are, and I'm gonna explain why it's really important. So if you are more of a long-term swing trader, I don't know, long-term intraday scalper or swing trader, I don't know, then you plot it on this. Like I plot it, I plot it like this, then I zoom in, then I zoom in. However, if you want to take trades based on this, like this time frame, it can be 50 minutes, 1 hour. Obviously, you're gonna plot it based on this information because you want to take long-term trades. And where do you anchor it from? Well, really damn simple now. Really simple. Ask yourself, what am I interested in? What zone, what information do I want? This is just a quick break, how you say it, a quick introduction to the video. But basically, you want to plot based on the information you want, right? Are you only interested in the swing, in the range? Are you interested in I don't know, you can start it from all the way down back here if you want. You see how it's basically the same thing? So it's not time-wise, you have to look at it. Okay, we're gonna go more into, I'm gonna go more into it on the YouTube video, and I have to have a more organized way to explain it. But in short, plot based on the information you want, okay? And you start it logically. Say you're more of a hyper scalper. My trick is that I just plot the swing. Okay, I plot the whole swing. So where is the high of the swing? Up here. Where is it developing? Doesn't matter. Just plot it from the top. Press extend. Watch it. How you say, develop in time. But we can go more into it later in a video. What's your bias? Yeah, Rio, I know that's. I saw you comment, bro. I didn't want to say anything. I saw you comment in the Discord. What's your bias? I'm ranging, bro. I think I'm leaning towards being more bullish. I'm gonna get you create a framework for you guys that you can follow when you want to plot the volume profile. It's gonna be so easy, you can't fuck up. You can't. You really can't. We just have to identify what type of trade you are, and that's then from there super easy. Look at these trap sellers at the bottom. Right? I mean, you're streaming every day, so people can at least learn from there. Yeah, happens. What can we do? Like, I don't. Yeah, that's the thing. You know, when I got it, like, how to plot the volume profile, I'm really curious. Like, what part is the difficult? Not in a way to say like, oh, it's super easy. No, but really, what is the confusing part? And I started to think like, okay, what can confuse people? Is it where you anchor it from? Are you confused on whether you should plot it from this high, from this high, from this high? Like, look at the volume profile. You want more information on what happened here? Yeah, you plot it from here. If you only want information on this like small swing, you plot it from here. I don't know, I have to ask people. It's hard to like create a video if I don't really know what the issue is. in how to plot it. Time for some ICT Enigma 10 contra in because Jesus held me like a what? Why bullish? Because the value area shift the high yesterday? Sorry for the question. No worries, bro. Ask. Don't feel like you're. Listen, this is the hardest. This business industry is the hardest job in the world. Okay, the most difficult. Trading financial markets. Ask. Why I'm bullish? Here I'm gonna show you. Doesn't mean I'm right. This is what I'm looking at and thinking, okay? So look at the left side. Do you see how we shifted on the left chart? We shifted here, lower, up, lower, up. Do you see a pattern? This is a range. Really simple. It's a range, okay? And we are in value area low on that range. There you go. That's why I'm leaning towards being more bullish. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Are you still using Lucid? Yes. Do you trade orb setups? IVB, that's technically it, but not in a traditional sense. I guess I just use it for narrative. And then do the research. Yeah, I know, bro. I think they don't know how to anchor which point. Okay. Swing high to low. High to low. I'm gonna cover it, no worries. If you take it from different level, then the value is higher or it shifts. Now this is the thing. If you are fixated, now when you plot the volume profile, what are you looking for? Are you looking for the value? Are you scouting for significant delta levels? If you're looking for the value, yeah, I get you. Yeah, I get it. When you drag it back, we get more data, of course. So it's gonna rise. How you say? The value is gonna rise. But if you want a framework to make sure you like don't fuck up, or if you make sure like, oh, did I drag it enough back? This is my trick, okay? It's really simple. You guys all gonna be able to use it. Look at structure. This is the swing high that broke this low, right? So I plot it from this high to here. And I do it like, I just identify what is the swing high if I want to take a trade. And look at this. And then I press extended. And now what have I plotted? The swing. The whole swing. So now I know what I'm dealing with. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's go back to trading, guys. Even from Rizzo, he showed how to plot. Yeah. Thanks, mate, that you're gonna make. No worries, no worries. Thank you, no worries. I mean, where we should go, we just so that it's efficient, but it just plotted. I have a question, but my English is not good, but I try. Why, when you need to wait for, when you need to wait the confirmation, and when you enter coming in the zone. I assume what confirmation I'm waiting for, right? So this is what I wait for. I wait for us to come outside of, if I'm gonna play the range, okay? Or maybe this swing, doesn't matter. I'm waiting for us to come outside of value area, the value. So right now we are in expensive zone, and you see how buyers are losing. That's what I'm waiting for. Then for confirmation, I'm waiting for these fellas. You see these buyers, this guy. I want to see them lose. They are losing right now. I really don't like at the top when you see a buyer there because usually we go up and test it. This is something I just seen. I told you guys yesterday about it as well, but yeah. And then for confirmation, I went for buyers to lose. And this is the discretionary part. I watch this interaction right now. You see how they're holding the price here? That means sellers are not engaging. So what is gonna most likely do? Push higher. And it happens directly. You see what I mean? This is the discretionary part. You read how it's acting here. And they held it here. If sellers were here, it will go up, woof, flick down, and then we push lower. But then you also have these absorbed sellers here. It's a lot of stuff, guys. It's not mechanical so much. Some stuff are mechanical, other stuff are, yeah. And you can also look at the CVD at the moment. You see CVD, sellers pushed a lot, but on this candle, they got absorbed and shit on. What did price do? Push higher. They didn't respect the pressure. Holy shit. You know, I have to maybe... it's hard to show people some this stuff. You have to like sit with them and explain. But I can't sit with... I don't know how many people wanted to do... We are many people. I can't sit with everyone and answering 100 people at the same time. He's gonna be like, oh, he has a question about that. He has a question about that. I'm like, bro. But I will do my best to make a video. Maybe it helps enough people. I swear, like every time you guys, like every time I see something like this, absorbed buyers at the top, like at the top, we come up and we flick it out. And then usually we get the push lower. Go back to it, look at it. Every time it happens, remember what I said. It's not gonna happen every time, but you get what I mean. Something I've seen occur, I don't know how you say it, but several times. And it's especially when we have a long week like this. What's up, dads? Doctor. What's up, everyone? IVB sets in 10 minutes. Now, why I'm not engaging here? Well, we got a big cluster of... Bro, it's like you want to jump into the shit, really. Yeah, okay, I want to sell here. Okay, if you buy here, cover below, not so stupid, I'm gonna be honest. But who knows? Okay, and for the people that are need help with the volume profile, if we break this high now, you know what I do? I take this and I drag it back. Because that means, okay, we are maybe playing off a larger swing. So maybe this one. Or you can drag it all the way up here. If you want to be dead serious, like super conservative, start from here, all the way down here. And sometimes, of course, you will plot it wrong. The market will tell you you were too zoom in and you lose a trade. Then you just evaluate. That's trading for you. This weekly swing trade. This weekly swing trade might have started as the last line of the info buyers and two still low. Yeah. What's up, Thomas? Which data feed did you rhythmic? So I get the rhythmic data. Longs are the play for now. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Yes. This is the level 2 days ago, value area low. When you say cluster, you mean there's a lot of big trades in one place? Yeah, exactly. Bro, this is a big cluster. Look at the buy. Look at this level. As I told you, it can be a good buy, but we don't know what's gonna happen. This is value area high, rejected, came back. So this was the fight, but we pushed out. But now we got absorbed buyers at the top again. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little for more clarity. But I'm leaning towards bullish, like we said in the beginning. Why? Value area low on the range. And I want to see if we break out of this balance. If we do, this is the level that we will have to fight. This level, you have this level. These are the two first levels. Rhythmic level 1 or 2. Oh shit. It's top of book. What? How do you say it? Top of book. How do you say it? Top of book data. Oh my days. Can somebody help me with the... I don't know what it's called. Somebody answer me. Yo, where's Karim? I wanted to show him something. Look at this CVD. What is this dry up? You see this dry up? Now, like yesterday, CVD made what? A higher high price. A lower high. Price managed to make a higher high. So buyers are getting results with less pressure, with less effort. So reading the pressure and with in correlation to price, it looks like the buyers are having control. Yeah, exactly. But it's top of book something. I don't know. Can you explain which delta brick you use? Brick. Can you explain which delta brick you use and why sometimes I am which one to mark and buy? Do you mean like now when I mark them out like this, you like which one should I select? Is that what you mean? Should you select this one or just leave it at this one or this one and this? That's the thing with trading, bro. It's if you want to be like conservative, pick the biggest one out of all of this. On the way up, if you want to do it like that, then this one is the biggest one. The absorption of the buyers right there. You can ignore this one that I marked out, but I mark it out because I'm more aggressive in my approach, so I can look for a trade here. But if you want more probability of working out, then this one up. So depends on how you want to play it. If you want to be more aggressive, mark out more. If you want to be passive, mark out the biggest one. You see how it's holding right now? Bro, nothing. Regarding delta, sometimes value area high, instead of marking the sell aggression, you mark the buy aggression, but that's confused. It's absorption, buy absorption. That is buy absorption. Look at this as support and resistance, okay? This buy level, you see this? This is absorption of buyers. It's gonna act like resistance. If I see a significant delta sell level, like you can take this one. I can also mark it out, doesn't matter. So resistance, resistance. That's why I mark out the buy levels. You see how they work? And yesterday we took buys off it as well. On a sell aggression level, and it works. It's by support and resistance, okay? It's just that, bro. But it could also mean thin liquidity on the sell side, but yeah, buyers are in control. Let's see. Yeah. Are you waiting for pullback or reversal? I'm waiting for now IVB to set in so I can get a more clear narrative and direction of what's gonna happen. Because look at this, we are playing between ranges. You see this all? Like this is your fight right now. I don't like to scalp in between these small zones. I don't see it like worth my time. Oi, oi, oi. So what I'm waiting for now is more clarity. Right now, I don't know what's gonna happen. We will see. So just mark the highest CVD, doesn't matter the color. Highest CVD. Do you mean delta level? If you mean delta level, yeah. You know what? Mark it out. It's gonna act as resistance if you come from the downside. It's gonna act as support if you come from the upside, okay? Really, just that. Are you... So you... but they don't are allowed to... are in the POC or... Okay, yeah, kicks. That's the thing. In a swing... Okay, now we're going into more... Okay, so when you are in a swing, okay? A more like a small... say, take this swing. This small swing right there. In this case, if I just want this small swing, I don't care about the value area or like the POC or anything here, then I can mark them out. You see, like here, for example. This is right at POC. When we are in a range, yes, then I don't mark it out. When we are in a swing, I mark it out even if it's in the value area. In a range, like take this zone up here. Of course, we're gonna have the highest like delta levels in the middle because it's a lot of transaction here. Like take this sell level here. You can use it. Trust me, you can use it. But since POC acts like a magnet, it's more likely gonna chop around it like this. But surely you can find some trades using it there. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. You mainly marked absorption. Oi, 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 we got some questions today, guys. I'm not gonna be able to trade, bro. When you put the... Exactly. Yes, Rafael. I like it. Yes, exactly. You saw how I pulled the volume profile back and the value area stayed the same. That's the thing. Volume is not the same as market profile. That shows the time price spent in a zone. But look at this. When we drag it back, it's essentially the same thing all the way up. So if you want to be really conservative and find the value area high, well, this is it right here. And yes, you can, this is how I play it. I usually take a trade back to POC if the direction is short. Okay, thanks, man. That was really helpful. We'll try it with nice. All right, man. After yesterday, I checked the CVD pattern, and this is more of a bear sign because buyers get exhaust. Yeah. Are you going to post the volume file information as its own feed? Oh no, I'm gonna create a video about it. A lot of finished auction on the top and it's taper now. They are willing to go down though, or just a temporary exhaustion. I like how it happens in our muy bien zone, huh? B shape, volume at the bottom, value area high. We got quite a bit of absorbed buyers at the top. You look at this, the most significant level from the buyers is here. You know what? Now that I see we are building it right here. Okay, we got IVB set in. The thing is, you know what I don't like this, like I told you guys. We are in a range. It's hard to explain, like when I mean range, I mean in a how you say it, we are in a tight battle, okay? This is the battle. Write this, okay? I don't like this because usually when okay, damn, we're gonna go into too much stuff. Let's trade, okay? Let's trade, guys. Okay, thanks, man. Why didn't you take the long trade at the beginning? I was talking for like 20 minutes explaining stuff. Did you use market profile in your strategy? My old one, yes, that I got my first payout with. Yes, I use market profile. In this one, no. If I you know the old model that I used for getting a payout? This is the one I used that I got my recent payout last week. I got myself $800. Simple payout. It's not to brag, okay? I know it's not like $800, maybe much for people. I'm not saying in that sense, but I use that model. I still use it because I have 3 years of data, soon 4 years of data using it. Greetings from Brazil. I have to go now. Have a good. All right, see you, brother. Which one is better to use, CVD or speed of tape? I like CVD. After I've used both of them, CVD is better. I'm gonna be honest. Speed of tape is really good as well. You can see the aggression, how fast orders are flooding into the market. If you want good timing and so on. But if you want to read the pressure, which I think is more important, so you're aligned with the pressure, then of course CVD. And you can also do it with speed of tape, but I feel it's more difficult. Here you get continuous information on what's happening. CVD, speed of tape, sometimes doesn't show anything. It just goes silent. You see this? This is why I'm still not engaging. So the area is getting more compressed. So now a good question for everybody. What happens? What will happen once you see how we are compressing? What will happen once we come out of this compression? What do you guys think will happen? Squeeze. There you go. Exactly. So it should be momentum. Exactly. Okay. Now that we know about that, and we know that if IVB sets in, one could play this. I'm not saying tell anybody to do it, but a stop loss right up. Okay, and I accidentally entered. Okay, my bad. Wait. Oh shit. One could play a buy stop above. Try to play the squeeze, right? Look at the CVD, look at the pressure from the buyers, and they are failing at the top. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, yo, check this absorption. Look how much they're pushing and they're losing. Usually price explodes. I got that short, mate. Bro, I accidentally I wanted to just show you guys what you can do, like put this stop loss really tight and then you can maybe send it. Yeah, I lost. It's 160 because of that mistake. Okay, look at this absorption, man. Look at the foot speed of tape. CVD. Look how much they pushed. Where are the results? Bro, right in the trash bin. But remember what I said, bro, I hate this. I really hate when I see something like this at the top. But who knows? Maybe we will reject now. Yeah, so many fake outs, but I don't know why, but so many fake out. I was stopped a lot. Price cancellation on one of VWeb upper band. You are in demo account. I'm in Deepchart contest account. Oh my days. Did somebody take this short? We saw the absorption. It was super clear. But look at and the speed of the the CVD as well. They got destroyed and now aggressive sellers at the bottom. Might try something. Trying to capitalize if it's gonna go lower. We're gonna go back here down to this area. Gonna put my stop loss super fast to break even. We're coming up to retest this. I'm looking at the reaction now. Let's analyze the reaction. Are they having a trouble? Look at this. I don't like this. Buyers are holding it. Here, on the biggest sell level. Nah. Not good sign, but they did not close above. That's the thing. They did not close above, so it can still be valid. Let me see. What is the... Let me try to maybe get a squeeze. I don't like how they are holding it. Came up. Failed again at the top. I don't know. Good to try. Let me see. Nah, this is some bullshit, bro. They are fucking playing right here. I'm gonna have a super tight stop loss. I'm not gonna let it... If it doesn't go now, then you can take me out for that and I'm gonna kill the trade. But if it sends it lower right now, let me put it to break even really fast. I don't like this rejection. Okay, I'm break even on this trade. Okay, it took me out. We are in the middle. And this is value area low. Fucking forcing trades in the middle is not the best. Waiting game again. We made actually a little money on that. Oh my guys, you guys are writing quite a bit. John Quick. Why you didn't short? I don't like it at the top. I didn't like this setup. Nice, Peng. I enter room late. Could you tell me bias of today? I'm leaning toward being bullish because we are in the value area low on the bigger range. Got another 200. I told you, bro, bias was bearish. Guys, wait out, bro. We are still in a range. Okay? There's no bias yet. Calm, calm. Let us get a clear direction. We are just chopping. We are ranging. No, exactly. Yesterday there was a big move after the live. Swear. Bro, we made 5k yesterday on the deep chart contest. I closed it and I was done, bro. I didn't want to look at this John Wick price action anymore. For the people that don't know what John Wick price action is, that means you have to spend a little more time here. Then you will know. Yeah, slow day. Thanks. No worries. Yes, there might just be a minor pullback, but a lot of investors to the downside from footprint after a quick move down. So today, one trade break even or small profit, but this one on the top, you guys saw what happened. Caught a John quick this time though after the John. You know how long it does take to be profitable if you learn it from the start? With a good mentor like Fabio, I think it's quite fast to grasp the knowledge. Then you gotta do the back testing and then you gotta learn about the discretionary stuff. But with yeah, that way I would say, I don't know. It's hard to actually answer it. It depends from person to person. If you're a quick learner, you're gonna learn quite fast. If you are disciplined, okay, like discipline, and you really go all in for it, I don't think it's gonna take you that much time. Value area low plus VWAP price will struggle for quite a bit. Nothing new, bro. Huh? Seen this the whole week. Bro, do you have any documentation about your trading strategy? I really hope that you can create that to help to learn from you. Yeah, I can make a video about it. Why not? I'm still gathering more data. I need to reach 1,000 trades on my backtesting. What are your backtest results in 2026? How about I make a video about it instead, okay? I don't like to talk. I'd rather show you guys. Okay? I'm gonna show you. Let me just cover the videos that we have in the Discord that people wanted me to make, and then I can show you guys. And then I need 1,000 trades. I'm not there yet. Then I can show you. But it's good. It's good. You make money in the end of the day. That's for sure. But the difficult part is more maybe how can I say it? Like when you think about it, that's the same with any trading style. If you can stick to it. If you can stick to it, then 100%. I'm scalping longs. It looks like we are going to push up, brother. In this market, I really don't know anymore what this, bro. This market is done. I also study a lot of this alone, but the real problem is I scared to enter a trade even with the confirmations. De-risk. Smaller size. There's your solution. Smaller size. If you risk $300 now and you go down to 50, you're not gonna be scared. You're gonna enter that shit. So you think you will make it as a full-time trader? You know what? How about, let's see. Or I'm gonna sound like everybody in the trading industry. Yeah, I'm gonna. But confidence-wise, definitely. I have the discipline, I have the mentality, that's for sure. You can watch my live streams if you watch them. You don't see me get pissed off, mentally, emotional. The only thing, obviously, that's what any trader has, is frustration. But you don't see me all like, okay, now besides from what the rest, the OGs knows about it. But when I trade on a prop firm account like a real, yeah, I don't blow accounts. You know what? Keep it simple. I don't blow accounts. So I'm up 2K, Pav. Step up, brother. Yeah. Look at his reaction. You know, this is the best time to question me. You know what? Because we're in a range. So go ahead, guys. Shoot. I have a question about, so for ranging day, we're looking for short, long, top, bottom, right? Yeah. Some delta zone above. Yes, but that's just a bonus if you see a delta level, a significant delta level above and below. But if you don't need it, you can also just look at big trades. That's a good way also to use it. But the way you framed it, yes, that's definitely. AAA setup, if we're ranging, delta level, value area high. Say you want to take a short up here, delta level, and then absorb buyers. Muy bien. That's perfect. But you're not gonna win every, of course. Yeah, hey, what's up, Dev? Yeah, you should make it, bro. Yeah, this is. I realize trading, it is a game of mentality. Now everyone here has a good. How you say it? You have an edge. Technically. Because you are so far ahead from the price action traders alone. You're now studying volume. Volume is the results of price. Okay? So if you study volume, you can anticipate what price will do. Guys, you are really ahead of people. If you are here right now, well done. I'm gonna be honest. Well done. How's today going? One break even, bro. In range day, I use big trade to trade. Okay, see respect. Yeah, it's the course we get by deep trade. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I think you have to just contact them. That's the thing. Contact Deepcharts support team and say, I want Fabio's mentorship. I think it's better if you open some sort of mentoring for the pips. They pay you for the knowledge and effort of teaching, not like others who took 100K today using laptop. So if, yeah, I don't know if people want it. If they wanted, what is it called? They pay you for the knowledge and effort of teaching. How can I say it? How can I say it in a good way? Because like I've been like everyone here. Trust me, I've been like everyone here. The information is out there, okay? The first person I paid for knowledge in my life is Fabio. That's the first person I paid for knowledge, and thanks to him, I'm getting payouts. That's like it's winning, and I'm winning and I'm getting payouts, and I'm trying new stuff, and it works. But that's Fabio, bro. It's hard to. how can I teach somebody? I would just say go to the source. Go to the source, go to Fabio. But if that's hard to understand, then maybe I can help. Maybe that's the only thing I can offer. But I'm not into this McDonald's mentorship bullshit where you take I'm gonna take money for something that people like. The how can I say, the art my mentor is teaching for everybody can do it, but so I'm thinking like go to Fabio, but if you want my personal time, then that's a different story. I learned from Fabio as well. You can as well. Okay, let's leave it at that. So yeah, and for now, I really don't even have time, to be honest, with helping others. Okay, let me just see. Oh, yeah, you guys are writing. What's better for identify absorption, CVD, bubbles, or footprint? CVD, bubbles, footprints as well. Bro, all three, bro. All three. They all technically show the same thing. Absorption. Pick and choose, bro. I use bubbles and CVD is faster to read. Footprint is more detailed if you want really precise, but yeah. I'm using Motivate. Cannot find a way to seamlessly find solution of vertical bit as one that's on Deepchart. Do you know a variant? Oh, I don't know. Sorry, brother. I don't know. The range is so small to trade. Why don't you use speed of tape anymore? I saw it, but now it's gone. I found more value in CVD. Yeah, we don't need to add Pav in the Guri industry. You know, the server is growing quite a bit, and I had to turn off DMs because I got too many DMs. Like, I'm not being a dickhead or anything, but it's yeah. I didn't know the demand was this big. Really? But it means that maybe I'm doing something good if I get this much questions and demands and stuff. By the way, have you seen the Chart Academy? There are a lot of traders like Fabio teaching for free. Still not launched. No, I haven't. I think many will like that, but context in those knowledge, some saying so. But context in those knowledge and someone showing it to you live is next level too. A lot of them know some knowledge in the market, but don't know how to use it. All right. I don't know. Yeah. One thing you guys always gonna have a guarantee with me, you're gonna see me lose and win, and I'm not gonna do some fugazi shit, okay? For the people that know, for example, last week, I don't tell people this. I just, because some guy asked it, I don't remember who. Yeah. When I get payout, like last week, you don't see me publish it. There's a reason for it. I love this channel. I learned so much. Want to maybe use Atlas when my deep charts really want, but I don't know if they for imply deep. Nice. Yeah, bro, just I don't know. Atlas has like deep charts, but it's not like as clean. That's the thing. Can take in a short trading value low. Yeah, downside, man. When you backed it, you can see the big trade. Yeah. How to read CVD. I always hear people say something about CVD divergence, etc. Okay, let me cover it really fast. If I can find an example for you. You know, we can take this divergence that we saw technically. Wait. I want to show you something simple. Let's not go into difficult. There you go. Price made. This is, look what price did. This is the low, and this is low, lower low. Okay, First low, second low. Here. CVD. What did CVD do instead? Higher high. Higher low. This is a divergence. And basically it happens all around. You can read the pressure by using it. Now, I'm gonna start, bro. I have a tendency to yap quite a bit, so I'm gonna save you guys from it, but I can cover a video about it as well, no problem. But basically, and CVD is pressure, so if you see that, just short, if you see price going higher, but CVD shows it doesn't go as high as the prices, then maybe somebody has lost control, yada yada. But I can talk about it some other time. Double thank you, you're welcome. Do you only use previous day volume profile for your levels and or any days volume levels? I use any day, like for example, this is, what is it, 1 2 3 4 days ago, this day, and I'm using it. You can make millions, Pav. Let me manage you. You're doing good again. That's what I mean. I will make you the top guru in the... Yo, sorry if I make you repeat. What's your favorite setup? Confluences. Trap buyers. No worries, bro. Ask away. Shoot. Let me know if you have any questions. I like this setup. I like this setup. B shape, for example, here, and you try to take a short in this area. And what you want to look for is trap buyers. Now this is a big range cluster, and yeah, it's not as clean and good. I don't like this. It's too much in the way. But you see, I love this setup. That's my muy bien, especially when it's on the short side, because you know that shorts, they go faster than buys. Do you know if Fabio is still going Q2? I think so. Do you use option for like gamma levels? No. Are you still trusting big trace? I filter with go with 60. 60 is more reliable. So price made a little, what the? But CVD made high, so we should go with CVD because that's the pressure. CVD is the pressure. Price is the results. If CVD fails to go high, how can I say it? Price is going lower. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, this one is CVD. So here's an example. So this is price, and this is, maybe I can write it. So for many people know what this means. If price went higher but the pressure went lower, that means the sellers pushed price. They tried to push price lower, however it went higher. What does that mean? Ladies and gentlemen, we got absorbed sellers. They lost. Ay. Yeah, I'm trying to explain some stuff, but this is it's easier to talk with people when I try to explain this. It's not so, it's hard to, like, when I read the chat, maybe you have some other stuff. Yeah, okay, never mind, guys. Maybe we can do it someday. You know, if I have this many people that wants to learn, maybe we can make something. I don't know, but let's wait. Still out of finish auction at all. Thank you, no worries. You don't have to start it. Taking a short trading in P version is really good. Taking a short trading in a P shape variant from in value is good, bro. You mean B shape? In a B shape, yes, then it's good. In a P shape, that means pressure is at the top. Now this live is like a master class. you only use order flow. I use price action and order flow. One more question. Why don't you use 40 range anymore? 1 minute gives more clear absorption. It shows much more clearer absorption, and range chart can fake you out quite a bit, but it's good also. It's up to you what fits you. Yeah, make content like this for education, EST long, contract short absorb. Okay, now I think I covered everyone. Maybe we can look to trade. I see. Anybody making money today? Are we still in a range because IVB didn't break out yet? We are still in a range as long as we are in this. You see, we are still in a range. Doesn't matter as long as we're still chopping like this. We highlighted the battle a while ago. As long as we're still in this area, still in a range. When you say exhaustion in CVD, but price meant to break a high, what do you think reversal will do? When you see exhaustion in our CVD, when you see exhaustion, the price managed to break a high. So do you mean when we see a dry up of buyers, but they managed to break the high? Is that it, Alp? If that's the case, if we see a dry up in volume from buyers, like choppy buyers dry up, and they still manage to break the high, yes. So if I think about if for reversal, no, I don't think about reversal then, because that means that buyers manage to push price up with low effort. So see it like this: they push the cart. Like the car, I don't know, they pushed the cart or the ball or something really soft, but it managed to go fast. What does that mean? Bro, there's no sellers there. There are sellers, but not enough that are interested. So I would maybe look for a push higher, and this happened yesterday actually. Hello user, I'm making back in there, but I'm taking a lot of break in. Bro, you're gonna exhaust yourself with all these range setups, bro. Watch out, bro. Man, don't try like this shit. Nah. Hell nah. I'm good, guys. Could you explain more about IVB? I know that if price breaks up or down, then we go the same direction, just like that. Is this correct, bro? So IVB is based on, I think, 20 years of data. They have back tested it, and so when we break a high on IVB, say IVB high, it's gonna plot a protection level. So based on 20 years of data, there's a high damn probability we will reach up here. How we reach it, it might happen like this, boom. It might happen like this, boom. It might happen like this. Okay, but it's not guaranteed. Okay, it's not guaranteed. It's just a good narrative. So you have see it like this, guys, and this is why I tell people you can use IVB. You get 20 years of data for free, guys. Okay, it's like somebody did the work for you. 20 years of data. Just use it. Just use it and trade in the direction, because it's a high probability it will go there. Okay, that's how I use it. And how, by the way, how I use it is I just get, like I said, I could just get the narrative. Okay, I see that we are protection level up here. Now I just try to find an entry in this area, in the developing price. So it's not like break retest. I don't trade it that way. It's looked like it will break the high instead or the low. Yeah, bro, the data feed, rhythmic. DX feed, no, yeah, rhythmic CME, top of book. Thanks. The price's action is ugly. Yeah. So how can we find an entry with IVB? There you're, oh man, this is turning into a damn course, guys. Oh shit. Yikes. I got my ways of doing it. You can use it. I don't, it's up to you guys. I don't know. There's 100 way you can play it off VWAP. It's simple. You just know the direction, and how you get the entry depends on how you trade. If you, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's not break and retest. It's not something that simple. You just know the direction. How you take a trade in that direction, that's up to you. And depending what you see. Personal question: when did you start learning order flow and trading? Summer last year summer. How about green box? How about green box? You mean the absorb sellers on the chart? Do you use VIX? No. Oi oi oi. Shit, yeah, you guys have really much questions. It's hard to, I'm having trouble finding something that is more generic to do a video about. I feel like many people have, oi oi oi. Damn, somebody's asking about this, somebody's asking about this. So personal, like people, I thought people had more like a generic problem, like I don't know. But when you think about it, everyone trades so differently. Of course, they're gonna add question. They have questions about different stuff. Yo, I haven't had time to look at the chart. You know why? I've been looking at this chat since we started. Okay, we're gonna have to force some trades for the deep chart contest soon. Absorb sellers at the bottom again. Yo, is somebody playing the range? You're making money today. What's cool about Fabio's mentorship? You make money with it. Did it change your thought? Yeah, it gave me a more structured way to trade order flow. Definitely. People wants bread. Just took the long. Nice, took the long. Nice, guys. About Fabio mentorship, do you store any video document? I really want to buy it. They have it in Deepchart. Contact their support. They will give it to you. Like you can buy it from them. I think $300, something like that. Yo, is something happening? Are we getting momentum? What is this? What the hell is this? Oh my days. Look at the retest. I want to see the retest. No. Okay. I killed the trade. I wanted to see a better retest. Yikes. Yeah, that would have been a good profit. Okay, we're gonna have to force some trades now for the deep chart contest. Not my prop firm contest, for the deep chart contest. We have to force some trades. Don't follow these trades. I don't trade them. I wouldn't trade this in a prop firm account. This range and all of this is not good market condition. But I'm gonna trade it based on the deep chart contest account. Okay. Now I said it. Now you know. Lol. Yeah. Look at the reaction down here. I want to see a reaction more. Come on. Come lower. I want to see how it reacts here. Remember what I said? This is also for the sell side. When we have it at the bottom, we usually flick it out. That's what I've seen from the past, or from my back testing and all of that stuff. We usually go past it and flick it out, and then we return. Like we did up here on this one. Okay, look, there's the flick out. Now I want to see if we're gonna step in. Bro, look at CVD. Fucking hell, what is this price action? How are they struggling down here? Buyers are struggling in this area. This is a cheap area and we are struggling as buyers. We might go lower. What's up, Zach Seal? You get the test. I think we're gonna flush lower. We're gonna squeeze it. You know how much time, many times it saves me, but just because I learned how to read it. Just because I learned how to read the price action, the behavior, it saved me so much. Especially when I trade my funded. Just that small detail. Seeing how long it spends time, how it reacts. Does it go fast? Does it give reaction? Does it hold it? Like, this is a really cheap area for buyers to step in, but sellers manage to hold it here. Nah, bro. Save me a stop right there. Before, you guys that know me from the beginning, when I started this streaming, you know, I would have taken that long there because I saw the trap sellers, and I would have been stopped out. Now, today, I save myself a good stop. Just because I learned from my failures. This chart looks like one of those generational arts in the museum they put. Okay. Okay. We broke value area low easily, short. We are engaging into value area low now on the bigger swing. And we have buy levels here. Oi, oi, oi. Now, this is I'm telling you guys, the B shape and the short in value area high, this area, muy bien. Today wasn't as clean, but yeah. It works so good. This is my highest win rate, by the way. The model I get the highest win rate on is this one, right here. Value area high, B shape, trap set buyers, good reaction, sending it. And usually, from my back testing, since direction is already, structure is lower, we usually squeeze below this and we send it lower. So you get a huge win rate. RR. Go test it. You will see. And this is also something Fabio teaches in his mentorship, by the way. It's not something I just made up. Okay, we are clearly breaking this. Yeah, let's wait and see what happens. I'm at 4K, Pav. Nice, man. Is that volume profile or volume profile? Wanted to take a shot, but after the aggression, it's so scared to enter without retest. For someone who's gonna start doing backtesting, do you have any tips? Here. Write out all your models. I have them written out. Okay. Okay, don't trash talk my writings now, but I'm not Picasso. But do you see this model? This is what right now played out. This one. This is the B shape. So this is the high we want to take a shot from. And I'm gonna try to. There. What just played out was my muy bien model. So, plot out your models. I have for a range day, I have a model. I have for a trending day, and I have for all situations that I want to trade. I don't want to trade every situation. I want to trade the things that I'm comfortable with and I know how to trade it. And yeah. Yeah, I can make a video about this as well. Why not? This is my strategy. One paper of sauce. I can't tell you some stuff that where I got it from. I want that because I had an agreement with a guy. Okay, I can tell you from Durant. Okay, he told me some stuff is you can't share everything because he it's he don't want to share everything because on the Morpheus education, you know, you shouldn't share everything. He doesn't want to go offend. How you say it? Some stuff you shouldn't like. It's not the best to share, okay? Because yeah, you can be seen as something, I don't know. Basically DUV shape. You already make a video about that. Yeah, but that was me in the beginning, bro. This is a whole new story. There's so much more knowledge to this. This is a whole new playground. It is the B shape. And P shape, of course. And it's from Fabio. But I put in quite a bit of time. So I have a framework that's mechanical, but entry-wise, it's discretionary. That's gonna save you fuck tons of money and give you a good risk reward. It's really good. Have you guys seen my recent trades that I took this week? I took 2 trades that were discretionary and the only legit trades. No, 3 I think. They were all wins. And for example, I swear, this is the thing, because I watched Fabio's stuff and I was like, bro, why? How is he determining when to enter? He teaches us the noob way. So you see sellers, you see buyers, and you enter, yada yada. But when I see that, and when I saw him live trade, he doesn't enter. He waits for something, and then that's when I realized about this part. The price action, the behavior of the price when we are in that area. Do you see a fast rejection? Do you see price holding? If price is holding here, bro, then means buyers are not stepping in, and it saved us quite a bit of money. But when it gives a reaction, it comes lower, flips higher, entry here, stop loss below, and you hit a 1 to 3 in like under 30 seconds because you timed it perfect. You know what? That's something you should call it timing. That's the most important, timing. Can you share it on Discord, bro, for members? Maybe membership. We don't have memberships. We have everything for free right now, and I can share it on this YouTube. I can do a video about it. But guys, if you get this framework, you have learned it, okay? You know about it, okay? And you will understand it really easy. But I'm gonna tell you right now, even if you know it, and some people's gonna fail at it. You need to practice just the timing, just like I said, the price behavior. That's the thing. Just watch that. And that's gonna determine if you took a mechanical setup or a discretionary, I don't know. But I still thank you, so no worries. If you look at the DVP and DVP, it's not a P, it's a P. Yeah, if it's a P and value is, and we are going lower, then I think that that's why I don't like so much templates that are pre-done. You are a human, you can read it much better than a pre-done algorithmic rule-based system. If I treated this like a P day, I would have lost. If I treat this like a B day, I would have win. Because you can read several stuff. You can read CVD, and I don't know about the template. I don't know about it. We are in value area low, right? Yes, we are human. Yeah, yes, you are. You know, in my backtesting, like I showed you here, once again, I'm going to show you my ugly drawings. Do you see that I have 1, 2, and 3? 1, 2, 3. This is it. I have it like this. Yeah. There you go. So, in my backtesting, area 1, POC, highest win rate. Area 2, value area low, really high probability as well. But if you want to just secure, say, a 1 to 2 and you take a scalp up here, if you just want peanuts, you can make lots of money on it. And high win rate, I mean really damn high. It's like super high. You can go for POC. If you want more risk, more reward, you can go for value area low. Now, if you are aligned with direction, structure, you can aim for the third point. The third point is always, listen to me now, option level. Okay? And it's also a round number. What is the option level? 4,000. Right there. But you know, if you learn about it, we can also have a failed auction here. But like Fabio says, we most likely chop on the way down here. So yeah, it might take some time. Oi, 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 mamma mia, like Fabio. Bellissimo. What a beautiful trade. Unfortunately, we didn't take it. All right, time is 15:56. This session was not so much trading like we usually do. It was more about answering your guys' questions. Yeah. Don't do anything. Trump is for real. Yo, actually, exactly what I thought it would. They did push it down, but now finish on the bottom. Might reverse. Let's see. Today I have backtesting at 7 o'clock. I'm gonna go for 4 hours. For minimum 2-3 hours. Okay, at least hopefully some of you guys got something out of this session, even if we didn't take so many trades. We didn't technically do it. Long at the same level of the last line of defense for buyers. Yeah, this is IVB didn't even set in. Can you tell the option levels again? 2400 and 250. Oh, every quarterly level. 250, 500, 750, and 1000. So, yeah. Still no cap. You want me to fix a cap? A Nasdaq cap. Now what are you looking for? I'm looking to turn off the stream. Yeah, guys, time is 4 o'clock. I have a tight schedule. I have to go. All right, basically round numbers exactly. You learn options like gamma levels. Yeah, we learned about this. See ya, goodbye, bro. Maybe make the nomads cap. Should I make it? Yo, Peng, I know that you gave us a good you actually, well, you showed us a good one. How many would be really interested in that? I'm gonna be honest. Is it just gonna be Peng? Like maybe I know Akaza, Peng. I don't know if Peng, even if you want to, but I know Akaza was interested. Thank you. Probably learned a lot today from you. All right, I'm glad to hear it. All right, before I turn off the stream. Yo, that one might be fucking hilarious. Imagine if you fix this. I love to have 2 color variants. Yeah, okay, maybe we can look at it. All right, take care, Pop. All right, thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow, right? Yeah, Friday tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, hopefully, we're gonna take some more trades. Today was more of a knowledge session, not so much trading. But I hope everyone enjoyed. Bye bye. Goodbye. All right. Have a good day, everyone. See you and good luck.